Hey there, roofing contractor subscribers. I'm Dr. Gensini, certified consulting meteorologist and PhD from the University of Georgia, and I'm here because I love educating contractors about what storms are coming their way. Enjoy this week's video. Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of our Week in Review video for Extreme Weather Insights powered by PSAI. It is Sunday, August 22nd. Dr. Gensini here. We have a lot going on this Sunday evening in terms of weather across the U.S. We have Tropical Storm Henri making landfall in the New England area. You can see the swirl, the counterclockwise there, moving into Long Island and portions of New York. The storm made landfall as basically a mid-category 1 right around and just west of Martha's Vineyard into Long Island. This is primarily just going to be an extreme flooding event, not necessarily a damaging wind, storm surge, anything like that. This is mostly going to be flooding rainfall for portions of central, southern, and even upstate New York and portions of New England as we go into the Monday time frame, Monday the 23rd. Other than that, some severe weather in the form of large hail approaching the Twin Cities this Sunday evening, but especially back out into the Dakotas. You can see those couple of blips on the radar right now. Those storms have severe thunderstorms warnings in central South Dakota and are producing hail up to the size of 2 inches in diameter. That activity will approach the Twin Cities as we move deeper into the evening here. So no doubt if you're looking at the Extreme Weather Insights swaths on Monday morning, keep an eye here in the upper Midwest, Western Great Lakes. You're going to definitely see some wind and hail activity in that area. Other than that, scattered showers and storms depending on where you are. The Pacific Northwest finally getting a little bit of a break here from extreme heat, from wildfires, calm weather conditions out there right now. And that does look like it will be the case for the foreseeable future. Dew points right now, extreme humidity still under the grips. Has the central United States and eastern United States under the grips. Dew points well into the 60s. A little bit of drier air filtering in here to the northern plains. But the major weather story is this. This is basically a little disturbance here. You can see that green. That's wind in the middle portion of the atmosphere up near 100 to 110 miles per hour. As that progresses throughout the week across the central United States, but especially into the Great Lakes in portions of the Northeast, this is going to be the severe weather maker for a majority of the week. Here's the reflection of the tropical storm in the weather balloon analysis this morning. But so that's our main player there up at the jet stream level. You can see where we're expecting right underneath that feature on Monday the 23rd. This will probably be just south of the Twin Cities, but does include Des Moines, Omaha, and Lincoln. The best day this week for severe weather potential looks to be Tuesday, dead set right on the Twin Cities. I do like the threat for especially damaging winds and maybe some hail. We'll see how the hail threat looks like, but mostly right now this does look like extreme damaging winds, sort of a straight line derecho type of event, maybe starting somewhere north and west of the Twin Cities, moving through the Twin Cities, and maybe making it all the way into northern Illinois by late Tuesday. So we'll see how that looks. That should set down an outflow boundary, or basically cold air rushing out from storms, which will serve as new development for the following day on Wednesday. This does include Chicago, Milwaukee, and several populated areas in the western Great Lakes. Thursday, right back at it in the Twin Cities. Looks like a cold front. Again, this jet stream pattern right underneath that feature. Very much a western Great Lakes, Siouxland, northern Great Plains setup for Thursday and Friday, basically a rinse and repeat. So, you can look at the number of days here the Twin Cities are in the risk. You basically have Monday, Tuesday, that's the big day. Then you have Thursday, right? Then Friday, then Saturday, and then finally things quiet down for Sunday. But several days there in the upper Midwest, western Great Lakes, will have the possibility for large hail, damaging winds, and even some isolated tornadoes as you move out towards especially the plains on several of these days. Again, the biggest day right now looking like it will be on Tuesday with some extreme damaging wind potential. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that and keep you updated. Because of all those repetitive risks, especially with the Twin Cities at threat, going with an Extreme Weather Insight score this week from the 23rd to the 29th of a 7. I do like the potential. I could have even went higher here. These are fairly populated regions of the country. We should have rinse and repeat threats
for many days this week in the Western Great Lakes Siouxland area. So Extreme Weather Insights score of 7. Make sure you're paying attention to the swaths this week. This could be one of the last major storm weeks of 2021. We'll have to see how things progress after this, but generally as we get into September, October, we can get some late season severe weather outbreaks, but the hail threat especially begins to diminish quite rapidly as we move into September. So stay tuned to our Extreme Weather Insights forecast and also our swaths for this week. No doubt there will be several opportunities in the upper Great Lakes. Dr. Gensini, as always, thanks for tuning into our forecast video, Sunday, August 22nd. Have a great week, everyone. We'll see you next week. If you have any questions about the upcoming threat, especially in the Siouxland area, make sure to reach out to our team. Otherwise, we'll see you next week for Extreme Weather Insights powered by PSAI.
Thanks for watching this week's video, and I hope it helped you prepare for the week. As always, you can get tons of great content at roofingcontractor.com. And please, if you have any questions, reach out to our team at predictivesalesai.com. Have a great week.